In this video, we'll be talking about how you can use the XLOOKUP function to make cross-referencing data and retrieving data from other spreadsheets, merging data, easier for you. So if you look here, I have my entire roster of students along with one of their parents' names, their parents' email address, their second parent's name, and then their second parent's email address. And I have over here a tab that says missing permission slips. And these are all of my students' names who are missing their permission slips for a field trip or some other event. And let's say I want to cross-reference this list of students with this contact list over here so that I can get their parents' contact information without having to look for each one of them one at a time. So I can, in this cell, I can type in a formula that starts with XLOOKUP. That will look up this student's name, Austin Palmer. It will look for that student's name in this column, and then return that student's email and it will return the student's parents' email address over here. So I'm going to type in equals XLOOKUP, and then I'm going to click on the student's name right here because that's what's going to be searched for. First, I click on the first part of the formula is what are we looking for? I press the comma, and where are we going to look for that name? I'm going to go to contact list, and then I'm going to select the column where we find that student's name, and we find that student's name in here. Then I press the comma again, and then we're going to select the column that has the parent's email address, and that's going to go over here. So just to make sure you understand how the whole formula works, first it's what are we searching for? We're looking for whatever's in cell A2. Then it's the column where we'll find that name or whatever is in here. And then after that, what are we returning? What do we want the spreadsheet to output or the formula to output? So I'm going to press return, and you'll see that gives me back that student's email address, this parent's email address that belongs to that student. So then I'm going to put my mouse over the blue dot, drag down, and you'll see that does the same thing now for every student. And I can do the same thing now with the other student's parent. So I'll type in equals XLOOKUP, open the parentheses, click on the student's name, comma, contact list, go back to this tab. So now I'll click on the column with the student's name, comma again, and I'll click on the column with his parent's email address. Press return, drag this down. Now I can go back to my Gmail and create a message. I will copy these email addresses here, paste them in here, copy these email addresses here, paste them in here, and that way I don't have to write each one at a time.